Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can remove the upper basket in BEKO Dishwasher B300. So as you can see in the upper basket we have a small gray element on these lines. So we have to remove it to take off the upper basket. How to do it? You have to push this element to the up and now with a force try to hold on the upside and try to remove in the same way the down one. As you can see, now we can. You have to do it of course on the both sides of the basket, and now you can fully remove it with just push it to the front side. After that, just push it back into the right place. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.